Hello,
Hi.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Yeah, it's us again. Boddhicitta special extra series on legal knowledge.
Okay, this time we are going to do answering the question,
The Q&A session.
Q&A session from Hong Kong Golden Forum. Okay, the first question is, where's the first question here? Okay, any benefit for same-sex couple in Hong Kong?
Okay, I guess this question, you have this question because probably you read some news about the case involving a same-sex couple in immigration department. Well, basically, the Court of Final Appeal gave the judgment ruling that same-sex couple in Hong Kong should not be deprived of any benefits, which a normal different sex couple would enjoy. But at the same time, the judgment also emphasizes that the judgment does not intend to change the concept that under the legal regime in Hong Kong, we don't recognize any same-sex marriage, but the court just said it sees no justification for same-sex couple to be deprived of any benefits which a normal couple would enjoy, because that's that's different. It's differentiating treatment, so it would cause unfairness to them. So yeah, basically that's what a same-sex couple would enjoy in Hong Kong. But in Hong Kong, being a married couple doesn't give you much benefits. I can only imagine that you may be able to enjoy some insurance coverage, which is not a benefit under the legal regime, which is probably a part of the package of your employer. And the probably only benefit you may enjoy is the right to choose to file your tax return as a family, and that doesn't give you much advantage unless one of you in the same-sex couple, one of them is not working or does not earn that much. Then in that case, the family can share the tax benefit together, right? So yeah, basically that's what a same-sex couple should enjoy in Hong Kong.
So basically there's no benefit.
I would say so.
Okay, so the second question, I don't know how to translate in English,
Right.
so it's really hard to translate. So I give it to you to answer the question.
Okay, so the question is the difference between crossing a road during red light and crossing a road without light. So okay, basically both scenarios are the same. It's basically jaywalking, right? So in jaywalking, they are all criminal offenses in Hong Kong, but by saying criminal offenses, they are very minor offense too. So basically, you would simply face a small fine, maybe 1,000 or 2.
Okay, and then I don't understand this one as well. I think
Okay.
is it the same in English because
Okay. Okay, so the question is, what's the difference between committing an offense and violating a regulation? Violating a regulation,
Basically are the same.
yeah, they're the same. It also translates committing a crime, but it's just probably you would say you violated a regulation when that sort of offense is a very minor one. And you may say you have committed an offense when you have committed a serious crime that which have a chance of sending you into jail.
Okay, and then this one is about what's the difference between civil and criminal.
Okay, that's a very common question being asked. So criminal jurisdiction would say basically means once the government or the law enforcement agency wants to punish you for committing a crime, which means by violating the laws. So the rationale and the foundation of that is to punish, and of course rehabilitation, right? However, for civil jurisdiction, it basically involves people, entities. They want to protect their rights and to ask for reliefs such as damages, compensation, whatsoever against another entity for whatever they've done, breach of contract, tort, something like that, or nuisance, something like that. It has no elements of punishment in there. You just want to restore position or to have some sort of compensation of your rights, and for that it means civil.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, sir. And then the last question: why the employment law in Hong Kong is so unfair? I think he is asking what's unfair to the employees.
Ask the legislators. Well, yeah, of course. I do agree that labor protection law in Hong Kong is very, I would say, minimal, or I don't know whether I should say it's outdated and doesn't catch up with time, because it probably was a choice of the society wanted to respect free economy, and people and employers should have their choices, so they should have freedom of choices on what sort of jobs they want to take on and how much they are to be remunerated. But yeah, if you want to know why the laws are like this in terms of labor protection, just go ask the legislators.
Yeah, I think this question is kind of funny.
Right.
Sorry. Okay, so please like us and give us comments. Yeah, we need your support.
And we need more like and followers.
Yeah.
So next time we will share more legal knowledges on different issues. So see you next time.
We will answer more questions. We got 3 pages, you know.
Right. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye.